And while Chinese social media firm ByteDance, which owns TikTok and Hello applications, have now closed its India business following continued restrictions on its services in the country. TikTok's global interim head Vanessa and Vice President for Global Business Solutions Blake Chandley, in a joint email to employees, have communicated the decision of the company that it is reducing team size, and the decision will impact all employees in India. Dhiraj, my colleague, is also joining us on the phone line. Dhiraj, the decision to ban so many of those Chinese apps was taken in the month of June, following which ByteDance did not quite express its decision of pulling out, but we see that happening now.
Good morning, Christine. And as you correctly stated, the Chinese social media firm ByteDance, which owns TikTok, has now announced the closure of India's business following the continued restrictions on services. Now, we must remember the government had banned TikTok, Hello, and 59 apps in June, and had further communicated to the companies that order to block them will be continued. After a lot of deliberation, this expressive statement comes out, where they have clearly stated that while they do not know when they will make a comeback in India, they are confident in their resilience and the desire to do in some time to come. Shortcuts have also been made where TikTok has reduced half its staff, which has affected the India market a lot when it comes to TikTok. But the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ban on these Chinese apps and India's ban on the Chinese apps stands firm. We're finding out with this news that we are addressing. The Chinese social media firm ByteDance has finally taken out a statement where they have decided that the TikTok's global interim head, Vanessa, has also stated that the joint email companies have communicated the decision of a company that is reducing the team size, and the decision is to impact all employees in India. Back to you, Christine.
Oh yes, and on your television screens, that email that has been sent out by the top brass of TikTok to the employees, wherein they've communicated the decision of the company that it is reducing the size, and the decision will also be impacting all employees across India. Many thanks, Dhiraj, for that information.